Hello friends, here we are starting MEC 103 previous year question that is based on linear programming. Here is the question. A linear programming problem is given as maximize z is equals to 30x1 plus 50x2 subject to x1 plus x2 is greater than or equal to 9, x1 plus 2x2 is greater than or equal to 12, x1 is greater than equal to 0, x2 is greater than equal to 0. We have to find its optimal solution. Let's see how to find the optimal solution. I'll write the solution. Let me see the equations once again. x1 plus x2 is greater than equal to 9. Here we go. x1 plus x2 is greater than or equal to 9, and our second equation is x1 plus 2x2 is greater than or equal to 12. So now here we have to do, first of all we will remove the sign of inequality and put the sign of equality. So it will be x1 plus x2 is equals to 9, and it will be x1 plus 2x2 is equals to 12. Now we have to put the points for x and y, for x1 and x2 respectively. Let's see how. Here we will write x1 and here we will write x2, and we have to write the values of x1 and x2. Suppose if we take x1 is equals to 0, then we will get x2 is equals to 9, and in the same way if we put x2 is equals to 0, we will get x1 is equals to 9. Now we will plot the points for another equation. See how. x1, this is x2. Okay, if we put x1 is equals to 0, then 2x2 will be equal to 12 and x2 will be equal to 6. Now if we put x2 is equals to 0, x1 is equals to 12. I hope this is clear to you. Now let's proceed further. We have to use these tables to plot a graph. Let's see how. For equation 1, for equation 2, let's write the values once again here for the graph. And here also. Now it will be easy for us to draw it in the graph. This is our x-axis, y-axis, and this is x-axis. Here we will show the values of x2 and here we will show the values of x1. So we will put plot points like 3, 6, 9. These values we have to take according to the values of x1 and x2. This is 3, this is 6, and this is 9. Little down. Yeah. So in first case we are having x1 and x2 is equals to 9. This point we got and this point we got. So we have to connect both the points. Like this. And in the another one we have values x1 is equals to 12 and x2 is equals to 6. x1 is equals to 12, okay, I forgot to write. x1 is equals to 12 and x2 is equals to 6. So we have this point and we have this point. So now we'll connect these points like this. We have to write the equation over here. Like for this one we can write x1 plus x2 is equals to 9. And for the another equation we have to write, we can write it here as well. x1 plus 2x2 is equals to 12. Or we can write equation 1 and equation 2 so that we can get to know for which equation we have drawn which line. Now in the next step we have to find the feasible region. For feasible region what we have to do, we put x1 and x2 is equals to 0 in both the inequality conditions. See how? First thing we was having x1 plus x1 plus x2 is greater than or equal to 9. So if you put 0 plus 0 is greater than or equal to 9, so we get 0 is greater than or equal to 9. That is false. And once we get false, so this means our feasible region will be not towards the origin but away from the origin. So now let's see, this one is in the graph. For equation 1, our feasible region is not towards the origin but away from the origin. So we can shade it like this. This is our feasible region for equation 1. And for equation 2, in the same way we will get the feasible region outward only, like this. So in this way the common region that we got is this whole outward. Now let's see how to proceed further. Look, here I have presented the whole solution. You can see it from here also for proper note making, like this. According to the sign of inequality, we get the feasible region like this, and for second equation like this, and the common feasible region is this one. So now what we concluded here, common feasible region is not bounded, therefore maximum value of z is infinite. आई होप आपको ये सॉल्यूशन समझ में आया है, और जो गाइज इसकी PDF है वो मैं आपको शेयर कर देती हूँ, आप लिंक से नीचे डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं. थैंक यू. So guys, don't forget to share the video, like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.